Guys, what's up? How is it going? Welcome to Honest Trading Community. So today's topic will be statistics. Yes, that's right. We are going to learn about statistics. So we will not dive deep into it, but in this video we are going to get a brief idea about what statistic is and how application of basic statistics can quantify our trading and give us an edge. So let's just get started with it. So why statistics? As you see these words, lots of you must be having a negative feeling than positive, probably because of the maths associated with it or because school में statistic chapter की वजह से marks कम आए होंगे. But anyway, so let us just change this perception today and dive into the world of statistics. So basically, statistics deals with the variability of data, and that's one of the core reason for its application in investing and intraday trading is so important. So there's mainly two kind of statistics, that is descriptive and inferential statistics. हम लोग ज़्यादा फोकस descriptive पे करेंगे because in intraday for a retail trader is more important. Also, inferential statistics is more of a advanced form of statistics, so it is mainly used by data science people, so we won't go that deep into it. You must be wondering, इतना statistics बोल दिया, but how to use it for intraday and how can it be helpful to us? So as you can see on screen, this is a hourly chart of BML. So you just observe one very obvious fact which is right in front of our eyes, but we never bother to realize it. बहुत बिजी रहते हैं ट्राइंगल, स्क्वायर, डबल टॉप इन सब चीज़ों को ढूंढने में. But anyway, so the fact which I am talking about is that if you observe every stock price movement, like every price movement out there, there there is this one thing which is so very common in every price movement out there. So price move from one particular area to another particular area. Then it can give some sort of a dip or it kind of a pullback. It comes down. Then again it goes up. Then it again moves to another zone. Then again it forms some sort of a consolidation. Then again it breaks out. Then it may also break down. It can do many other such things. सो बेसिकली हमें एक बेसिक चीज पता चल गई है कि बॉस प्राइस सिर्फ ऊपर चढ़ते नहीं रहेगा और ना ही नीचे गिरेगा, बट एक्चुअली इट कीप्स ऑन मूविंग फ्रॉम वन पर्टिकुलर जोन टू अनदर पर्टिकुलर जोन. आप खुद सोचिए, व्हाई टू ट्रेड एवरी पैटर्न और सिग्नल्स व्हेन यू कैन जस्ट स्टिक टू सम हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी zones which are statistically calculated and just observe the price action there and take a trade with highest probability. आई नो किसी ने भी अभी तक प्राइस को ऐसे रीड करके ट्रेड करने का सोचा भी नहीं होगा, but there are institutions and professional traders who are making extensive use of it and earning a lot of money every single day. In the end, to get you a little bit more excited about statistics, I would like to recommend a movie. It's called Moneyball. Basically, it's a story of how a baseball coach who is given a tight budget make use of statistics to outsmart big teams who have large budgets. He basically makes a team of players who are very newbies or often ignored by most teams for their performance, but they end up winning the tournament because of a statistical edge. So that's probably it for today. In the next video, we will learn more on mean, median, standard deviation, and other statistical stuff. So till then, have fun and keep trading.